Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia melaporkan kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada Jumat 21 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Rusia diketahui masih melanjutkan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Militer Rusia mengklaim pasukannya berhasil menghalangi upaya musuh untuk menyeberangi Sungai Zherebets pada malam hari di dekat pemukiman Novovotianoye atau Republik Rakyat Lugansk dan Torskoye atau Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Rentetan artileri Rusia yang luar biasa juga memaksa mundur pasukan Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina yang maju. Secara total, 25 prajurit Ukraina tewas serta 2 kendaraan tempur infanteri dan 2 truk pick-up juga hancur. Itu klaim dari militer Rusia. Tembakan artileri Rusia yang terkonsentrasi
close to Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region. At Zaporozhye direction, Ukrainian forces in small groups attempted to attack Russian positions in the vicinity heights near Vremivka. The Russian troops successfully repulsed all the attacks. The enemy was driven back to their initial positions. More than 40 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles, and 5 Ukrainian pickup trucks. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery annihilated 3 command posts in Drobyshevo of Donetsk People's Republic and Novovoznetskoye in Kherson region, as well as 69 artillery units and firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 167 areas. In addition, units of the armed forces of Ukraine and foreign mercenaries were hit in 8 temporary locations near Kamyshevacha in Zaporozhye region, Sadok, Bezemennoye, Patikatki in Kherson region, Kramatorsk, Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, the city of Nikolaev and Zaporozhye. 2 depots storing ammunition as well as rocket and artillery armament of the Ukrainian armed forces were destroyed in the towns of Ukrainka of Kherson region and the city of Zaporozhye. A gasoline storage facility for Ukrainian military equipment was destroyed near the town of Novogrigorovka in Nikolaev region. The Russian air defense facilities eliminated 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the territories of Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Skadovsk, Vysokoye in Kherson region, and the Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power plant. Moreover, 33 HIMARS multiple launch rocket system projectiles and 2 HARM anti-radar missiles were shot down above the Kherson region settlements of Otrada Kamenka, Korsunka, Antonovka and Novaya Kakhovka, as well as Kremenная in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,302 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,939 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,513 field artillery cannons and motors, 6,685 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.